So how did you find the new lesson?
Easy.
Before starting the slides, who can
Easy.
tell me the main objectives of our lesson? Who can tell me? What are the main objectives of our lesson?
يعني أسماء التريانجلز.
No, tell me what did you learn? What are the new things that you learn?
Drawing a triangle.
Very good. So construction of triangles. What else?
Name the triangle.
Name a triangle. What else?
Identify particular triangles.
Very good, Razan. Identify particular triangles. What are the particular triangles?
Isosceles.
Very good, Huda. Isosceles. What else?
Equilateral and right angle.
Right triangle. Very good. And equilateral. Excellent, Razan. So we have isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and right triangle. Who can tell me what's special about an isosceles triangle?
Miss
Isosceles.
3 equal sides.
Isosceles.
Two equal sides.
Very good, Ali. So in an isosceles triangle, we have two equal sides. What else?
Two.
What else? Two equal sides or?
Two equal angles.
Two equal angles.
Sorry.
Very good. What else? One more thing.
Two equal angles.
Two equal sides, two equal angles, and one more thing. What is it? What do you think?
Two equal.
Okay, so two equal sides, two equal angles, and main vertex. Main vertex. Okay, so for example, if I have an isosceles triangle ABC of main vertex A, I can tell that AB is equal to AC. So it's very important to identify the main vertex in a triangle. Okay? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now what's special about an equilateral triangle?
Three equal sides, three equal
Very
angles.
good.
Three equal.
Yes, say. Yes, Huda? So in an equilateral triangle, we have three equal sides and three equal angles. Who can tell me what's the measure of each angle in an equilateral triangle?
180.
Each angle in the equilateral triangle.
60.
Very good, Razan. It's 60. Very good, Ali. It's 60.
60.
Excellent. It's 60 because you know that in a triangle, the sum of angles is
180.
right.
60.
If 180, if you divide it by three equal angles in an equilateral triangle, we will get 60, 60, 60, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Now let us continue. What else? What's special about a right triangle?
I didn't understand. Keep 60.
Leia, you have to watch the lecture. Anyway,
180 divided by 3.
in the triangle, the sum of angles is 180. So the three angles measure 180, but they are equal. So if you want to divide the 180 equally among three angles, you will get 60 degrees, okay? Okay, now what's special about a right triangle? Who can tell me what's special about a right triangle? Why is it a particular triangle? Who can tell me?
It has a right angle.
Thank you, Huda. Very good. It has one right angle. Excellent. Okay, now let us open the lecture to see if you understand everything.
It has
Okay?
a right angle.
Yes, very good. Okay, so I'm going to start now. Okay, so as I told you, the main objectives are to identify a triangle and its elements, to identify particular triangles, how do we construct a triangle, and how do we find a missing angle in a triangle, okay? First of all, this is the isosceles triangle, and I told you in an isosceles triangle it's very important to identify that we have two equal sides, two equal angles, and one main vertex. Okay, and what's special about a main vertex is that when I say, for example, main vertex A, that means AB is equal to AC, and angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, okay? So that's why it's very important to identify the main vertex in a triangle. Now the equilateral triangle, as we said, it has three equal sides and three equal angles. Each one of them is 60 degrees. I think we have here, if you have anything, guys, you can ask, okay? Okay, let us continue. If you have anything, you can just ask. So let us continue. Now the right triangle, in the right triangle we have one right angle, and we have the side which is facing this angle is called the hypotenuse. Okay, till now do you have any question?
No.
Great. Let us continue. Now the construction of triangles. The measure of three sides. If I gave you, for example, that you need to construct a triangle and I gave you the measure of the three sides, then you need to use a ruler and a compass. Okay, and I think you watched the video, right? It's very easy. So you have to use the compass. Why? You draw first the first line, which is the longest one. Then you open the compass on the first side and the second side, and the point of intersection is going to be the third vertex, and you join it, okay? So you will get this. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Please, I need you to participate. Are the steps clear in this one?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't understand this one.
No, I didn't understand.
Okay, you have to watch the video several times. First of all, you put the first line, okay? You draw the first line. Is this step clear?
Yes.
Okay, after drawing this this line, you have to bring the compass and open the compass on the second measure, which is 6 centimeters. So you open the compass 6 centimeters and you put it like this. Okay, that's how we open the compass 6 centimeters. Okay, and then what do? You put it on the vertex like this, and you draw a small arc. Okay, so we draw a small arc. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we reopen the compass on the third measure, which is 5 centimeters or 6 centimeters. Choose one of them.
5.
Okay. And what do? We put it on the second vertex on the other side. Okay, and you draw another arc like this. And the point of intersection of the two arcs is going to be the third vertex. So you join it with the extremities. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so let us now go for the second case, and the second case is when you have two sides and one angle. So the first step is to draw the first side, protractor, and put the angle. Then this side, you should use a ruler to measure it, okay? I think this one is very clear, but let us see the steps. So first of all, you are going to draw a line. As you see, we draw a line which is 7.5 centimeters. We always choose the longest. Then you put the protractor. We use the protractor. We put it on the vertex. We measure 40 degrees. Okay. We mark the 40 degrees, as you see. Then we remove the protractor and we use the ruler and we measure it now 6 centimeters. Okay, so it should be 6 centimeters, as you can see. So you open it, 6 centimeters. Okay, after drawing it 6 centimeters, you remove the ruler. This is 6 centimeters. You remove the ruler and then join the third side. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Yes.
Now the third case, which is one side and two angles. Okay, so it's very easy. You draw the line, you put the protractor on the first side, and then you put the protractor on the second side, and the point of intersection of those two lines is going to be the third vertex. Hi, Zahra.
Hi.
Let us see the steps. So first of all, we are going to draw a line. This line is going to be 6.5 centimeters. Then we remove the ruler. We bring the protractor. We put on the first side the first angle, which is 30 degrees. And then we put on the second vertex, which is 50 degrees. And you draw the line. And the point of intersection is going to be the third vertex. And that's everything about construction. So you have to pay attention, okay, for the given.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Great. Now let us continue. Okay, so now the third thing I'm going to talk about is the find the missing angle in a triangle. Okay, so how can I find, if I have two angles, how can I find the third one? So let us start. For example, in triangle BEC, we have the first angle, which is 40 degrees, and the second one is 80 degrees. I need to find the third angle. Okay, so if you see the steps, that's how you are going to write. The first statement is going to be the sum of angles in a triangle is 180, as you can see. In the second step, you fill in the given, and in the third step, you calculate. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
You are going to practice them well, because the way of writing is more important than giving the answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can tell me, for example, that EBC equals to 60, but if you didn't write the steps, you are going to miss the grade.
writing.
Leah, yes?
ما عرفت كيف عملت الرايتنج يعني كيف طلعت هي.
You have to watch the video more than one time, because I solved a lot of exercises, but it's very easy. You just put the three angles equals to 180, and in the second step, you put the given, for example, if you can see, instead of BEC here, instead of BEC, you are going to put 40 degrees, because I gave you that BEC equals to 40. Instead of BCE, you are going to put 80, because I gave you that it's 80. And then you keep EBC, because I need to find it.
Okay.
And then you calculate. We already learned this in the complementary and supplementary angles, if you still remember. Anyway, let us continue. The second triangle, if you can see, it's a right triangle, and the same concept. The third one is very important, because the only given I gave you that it's an equilateral triangle. So you start the first statement as we learned. You put the sum of angles is equal to 180, but you know that the three angles are equal because it's an equilateral triangle. Then you divide the 180 among 3. So you are going to get 60, and then every angle now is 60 degrees. Is it clear, everyone?
Recorded?
What?
Is this video recorded?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Okay. Now, anyway, those are already explained in the lecture. The same things, okay? This is the lecture which is already recorded. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
Guess who's asking?
Me.
Yes.
لا بعدين أخذت سماح.
Guys, please. Yes, Zahra, I can hear you.
Did you put the worksheet on the application
Of course.
and the lecture video and
Everything. Yes, let us continue. In this question, we have an isosceles triangle of main vertex A. So first of all, you put the sum of angles is equal to 180. And then I still need to find two angles. But you know that those two angles, which are ABC and ACB, are equal. Why they are equal? Because it's an isosceles triangle. Then you divide the remaining for 2, which is 75 degrees. That's everything about the lecture. Okay, let us see if someone solved the homework. Did any of you solve the whole worksheet?
Yes, me.
بس أنا حليتها وخلصتها بس ما بعتها.
Okay.
بس لازم نبعتها.
If you want, Ali. Okay, so let us start by the first question. The first question, you already have a figure and you have to answer from the figure, okay? Who's talking to me? Who's sending me messages? Well, I don't... Wait. You are talking to each other on the chat? Seriously? Let me check. Do we have a quiz? I told you tomorrow we have a quiz.
no, yes.
Anyway, I'm going to continue. Let us see the worksheet again. So this is the first exercise. For example, in this figure, we have RO equals answer me. We have RO equals
RI.
RI
And IO.
and IO. Very good. How did you know?
Because there are the
Miss, because the triangle is 180 divided by
Hassan,
366.
how did you know that RO
No,
equals
Miss, because-
RI equals OI? How did you know?
Because they are the same triangle.
no because
No, Miss, because they're
The side of the triangle is equal.
How did you know?
because there are little lines on
Very
them.
good, Huda.
Two
Yes.
little lines.
Excellent, Huda. Because of the two lines that are on the two dashes that are on the line, that indicates that those sides are equal. Okay, we say that this is coded. This is coded. Okay, very good, Huda. So now I can say that the triangle have three sides. What?
3 equal sides.
3 equal sides. Then the triangle is
Equilateral.
equilateral. Then we can say that the angles of this triangle are
Equal.
and each angle measures
60.
very good, excellent. I don't know where are the others, but those who are participating, of course, they are going to get bonus points. Anyway, let us continue. For example, let us go for another exercise because this is very easy. This is about construction, okay? So this is about construction of constructing triangles. And there are, as I told you, 3 cases. Either I will give you the 3 sides, or 1 side 2 angles, or 2 sides 2 angles 1 side. Okay, so go back to the video and watch it. Let us see now in number 6. Can you see number 6?
Yes.
See?
Yes.
Put it bigger. Okay, this is question number 6. Who can give me an isosceles triangle?
Miss me.
Ali.
Isosceles triangle AEB.
Very good, Ali. How did you know?
It's because there's a small line on AE and BE.
I want to ask you a question. What's the main vertex of this triangle? Who can tell me what's the main vertex in this triangle?
B.
A.
E?
Of course it's E. Ali, you said it, right? Ali Gahfouki.
Yes.
Right? Very good. So E is the main vertex because EA is equal to EB. Very good. Now, who can give me a triangle which is neither right nor isosceles?
Me.
Yes, give me.
BAC.
BAC. Very good. So it's very easy. In number 7, I told you that we have an isosceles triangle MER of main vertex M. When I tell you, for example, main vertex M, what does that mean? Who can tell me?
Main vertex M?
Yes.
The vertex is M.
I am telling you that the vertex is M. What can you tell me?
No, the vertex is E.
We are now in question number 7, Laris. I'm telling you that we have an isosceles triangle MER of main vertex M. What does that mean?
بس يا بس ما فهمت اللي بدي أقوله
Try.
بالإنجلش.
Try, Ali.
Like an isosceles triangle.
بس إنه بالاثنين فيهم M يعني equal.
بس لا يعني الام لا تطول.
Hey, what does that mean, Ali? And what are the 2 sides that are equal?
ME and MR.
ME
Yes,
and
Razan.
ER.
Yes, that's it. ME equals MR. And what are the angles that are equal?
Angles
ME and EMR.
MER and
MRA.
MRA. Very good. Okay, guys, this is very important. You have to write these before you start by anything else. Okay? Let us look, for example, at question number 8. RAT is an isosceles triangle of main vertex A. What does that mean?
That AR is equal to AT.
Very good. Excellent. And what are the angles that are equal?
TRA and
RTA
RTA.
وRTA.
A, R,
ART
and
R
A, T,
ATR.
Okay, so always start by A, but always start by the vertex. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, of course, tomorrow in the quiz, I'm not going to ask you to construct a triangle because you cannot, but you have to pay attention for the questions, okay?
Okay.
I think that's everything. Anyone have any question?
No.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please, guys, I advise you to watch the lecture one more time and try to solve the worksheet, all of it, please.
Okay, Miss, I solved it.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye. Bye, Carlo.
Hi,
Mana?
Miss.
Bye.
Bye. Yes?
بس مش في question to construct a triangle وكله عملت لهم كلهم كونستراكت بس على دفتر يعني مش على الورقة.
ما بيأثر حبيبي، ما بيأثر. اتس اوكي.
اوكي ماشي.